everyone, it's Tammy, and I have a package here from a company called Twill Print. And I am pretty excited about this because there is a project bag inside that is really cool from what I can tell. And I got an envelope. And you can find this store online, and I will try to remember to leave the link below. If I forget for some reason, please let me know, and I will be happy to attach it. Oops. Okay, so I got a couple of pens because I thought that these were fun. It's a crafty gal with yarn and pencil and a ruler and some thread. Looks like knitting needles all in her head. Really cute. And here's a better picture of it. This is a vinyl sticker. It's not a better picture, it's maybe a better view. So let's see. These are vinyl stickers, and you can find them twillandprint.com, so that's easy enough. But I did get a few stickers. So I got the girl, and then I got the little knitting sheep, and the little knitting gnome. I thought those were really cute. Thanks so much for your purchase. It means the world to me. I hope you love what you ordered. Show off by tagging us. And it's just a little card. Sorry, the lighting is poor because it's winter and it's nighttime. Well, it's dusk. Okay, so let's check out this bag. I got the red one, and it is wax canvas, and it is very nice. So I would say it's a medium size-ish bag, but it is very, very nice. It feels really good. Has a really cool lining. Look at the rope on the inside. So it will, you can pull this part up and close it that way. Oh, how cool. So it makes it a larger bag doing that. Let's see, it has a snap here with an inside pocket. It has a little leather strap here that says Twill Print on it. And it has a side pocket. Oh no, it doesn't. Sorry, those don't open. These don't open. But it's beautiful. And inside it has pockets as well. So you can see along the edge there's pockets, and then there's even the little eyelets or whatever you call those, so that you can thread your yarn through if you want to. And it opens nicely to a rather large size. I mean, honestly, this is, I would say, a medium to large bag. After opening it up like this, it's pretty large. Has a very nice handle that you can move so you can put it on one side or the other. It reminds me of a Coach bag. It's really great. Has these grommets up here, and I love the little animals. Of course, I love critters, but there's little sheep and little llama. There's a sheep. Oh my goodness, this is a beautiful bag. I am super thrilled about it. And I love that you can fold that in and just have it as a bag like this, or you can bring it out. And then you can even shorten this with the little, I don't even know what this is called, but you can open this up, you can shorten the strap. Do what you feel like you need to do here, which I think is awesome. I love the little options. This is fabulous. I am loving it. And I think I'm going to put some of my pins on this bag is my plan. So like this one can go on here. And I did purchase some locking backs. So that's what these are. So I don't know, I'm going to do some more research before I decide to put my pins on here. I want to make sure that it doesn't ruin this canvas, and I don't think it will, but I just want to be doubly sure before I start putting pins on it. But I thought this would be really cute. And I ordered a couple other pens, and I have a couple pens, so yay! I am really excited. So thanks for watching, guys, and check out Twill Print. Beautiful bag. Beautiful. Very well made. Excellent construction. I can't say enough about it. Thanks so much, guys. Bye-bye.